That's against the wall. There's no reason for it. You must have been really clowning for that to come down.
I wasn't.
Move. It's got to go against the wall. That's why it's against the wall. You could have broke it.
Good Lord, that's why.